Hello friends, I have created this app in which I can set reminder for my text at selected date and time, and I will show you how to do this in Sketchware. So first I will show you what it does. You can write any text like this is reminder 20 reminder 5. Okay, and now I will select a date, which is today's date, and I will select some time like 0045 hours. Okay, and then I will click on add reminder, so it will add a reminder for that time. Okay, and at that particular time, which is 12:45 a.m. or 0045 a.m., it will show the notification. So now I will just kill this app and I will show you how I did this in Sketchware and wait for the reminder. So here I have added text 1, I have button 1, text view 1, then this is button 2, and this is list view 1. For list view 1, I have a custom view items.xml which contains text view 1, text view 2, and image view 1. So here we have to switch on app compat and design. Then in components, I have added this calendar component, shared preferences component, SPSP, then another calendar component which is cal2, and a dialog component, dialog. In image manager, I have added IC underscore notifications underscore black and IC underscore delete underscore black. Okay, then I have created these more blocks. So one of them is pick date, which I showed you in my previous video. Then one more is pick time. This also I showed you in my previous video. So what it does is when I click on pick date, which is button 1 click, I will show you this button 1. When button 1 is clicked, I pick the date. So when the date is picked, it will set the year, month, and day of month for the calendar cal. Okay, and after that I pick time. So when I pick time, it will set the hour of day and minute for the calendar cal and display this time of calendar cal in text view 1. Then I have this create notification channel. This will create a notification channel for receiving the notifications, and I use this in on create. I have added this initialize logic event, and inside this I use this create notification channel. And after this I have added a Java file called reminder receiver.java. This is required for receiving the notifications, and inside this I have put this code. You can get all these codes from the link in description. So this is for receiving the notification. Okay, you can see it contains this IC notification flag, which is the icon, and it contains the title and the message which it gets from the intent. So next, in Android manifest, in app components, I have declared this dot reminder receiver using this code. So next is the on create event is empty, so next is on start event. Inside this, in text view 1, I display the, so now you can see I have received the notification which I had set. You cannot see the notification because this app is running, but when this screen recorder is not running, then I will be able to see the notification. Now I cannot exit it also, so whenever I stop the screen recorder, I will be able to see this reminder. Okay, so let's continue. So here I set the current time to the current time of calendar. Okay, and if there is any reminders saved in shared preferences, then I get the reminder and display it in list view 1. And for every reminder there should be a reminder code, so that the reminder is unique and your next reminder doesn't override your previous reminder. So that's why I have set this reminder code and I have saved it in shared preferences. So if there is reminder code saved in shared preferences, then I get that to a number format and set it to this number variable called reminder underscore code. Here you can see I have added these number variables: reminder underscore code, current underscore time and code, and string variable message, and a map variable map. Then in list, here I've added a list map called map list. So next event will be the button one on click, which is used for picking the date, and after picking the date the user will click on add reminder. In add reminder, which is button 2 on click, here if the edit text one is not empty, then I schedule the reminder using the reminder code, and the reminder is set for this text at the time of this calendar cal. So I'll just show you what is this more block schedule reminder and cancel reminder. So this more block schedule reminder contains a string variable called message, a calendar variable called calendar, and a number variable called code. Okay, and this is the code. First, an intent is defined which contains the title of reminder, which is reminder itself, and the message, which is the string variable message. Underscore message means the string which we use in this more block. So this message is represented as underscore message here. Then there is this pending intent which contains the number variable code. Okay, underscore code represents the number variable code. So this code has to be unique if you want to set more than one reminder. If you want to set only one reminder, then you can set this code through 0 or 1 or anything. And then it contains the time for which the reminder is set. So that is here underscore calendar dot get time in millis. So we can get the time from the calendar. So that's why I have this calendar variable here. And for cancelling it, it contains the same variables and the code is almost similar. This intent should be same, this pending intent should be same, only in alarm manager we cancel the alarm. Okay, so this is cancel reminder. Now we go back to button 2 on click. So here we schedule the reminder. After that we save the message, the time and the reminder code to map list, and we display this map list in list view 1 and save this map list to shared preferences using this key saved. Okay, and then we change the reminder code. We increase the reminder code by 1 and save this reminder code in shared preferences, so that next time when we set a reminder, the reminder code will be different. So that's there on button 2 on click. And in onBind custom view for the list view, in text view 1 we display the reminder message. In text view 2 we display the time of that message. Okay, and if the time of the message is less than the current time, then the background of linear 1 is gray, and if it is more than the current time, means the reminder has not been shown, then it is green. And image view 1 is for deleting the reminder. So here we display a dialog box, and inside this, if the time of the reminder is less than the current time, then we simply delete it. Okay, delete it from map list and refresh the map list and save the map list to shared preferences. And if it is if the time of the reminder is greater than the current time, means the reminder has not been shown, then we have to cancel the reminder. So we cancel the reminder message at that time of calendar with the code of the reminder. So that's it. That's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.